Hey everybody, Nick here with a really quick tip on how you can detach and move around all of the different menus or the panes that you have in your PowerPoint file. So you can do this with Word and Excel too. So this is a pane that we've long been accustomed to seeing, our Format Data Series pane over here whenever I want to format a chart. All I need to do is click up here. You can see those little arrows pop up there when I'm hovering over the top. I can click and I can just drag this out. Let's see, why is it making a liar out of me right here? Okay, click and drag. Oh, there we go. Click and drag it out right there. Very nice. You can also click on this down arrow and you can see move, and when I click on that, that's going to detach the pane and I can go ahead and move it. I can go ahead and resize the pane up and down if I want to. I could even resize it out like this. This is a really great way to take screenshots of your pane if you're doing training documentation or things like that. Now, the thing that always frustrated me is how there is no button that says reattach. There's nothing to help us reattach these panes to the right side of our document. So if you need to do that, this is really simple. All you do is take it, click and just drag it over to the right until you can't drag it anymore, and magically it reattaches. So let's try this one more time. Let's go ahead, drop down, move, and then the arrows pop up, and I'm just gonna move that out of the way. I can move it wherever I want to, and then if I wanna reattach it, I'm just gonna click and drag and all the way over to I can't drag anymore, and then it magically just pops up. So there is a little pro tip for you today in your PowerPointing. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. You'll get notified every time I post a new video. Had a great time making this for you. Can't wait to see you next time.